Hi, room 6. This is Miss Milan. So today we will be beginning a new and our final unit for writing. So for the past 2 weeks, we have been working on our online writing journal. What we are going to begin doing now is instead of working on our journal for the remainder of the year, we will be working and completing a research informational unit. So you guys will be spending some time researching a topic, and then once you find your information, you will be composing a writing piece that teaches the reader about your topic, along with completing this Google Slides presentation to present to the class. So I'm going to go through a few slides today to help you guys in completing the first part of this research project. I do want to remind you that this needs to be completed today by 8 o'clock. So when you finish with these assigned slides, I'd like you guys to click this little button at the top that says share. And you'll share it with Miss Milan, just like we've done all year. So you just type in Miss Milan's name. You could type in Jerica, or you could type in J Milan, and then you'll share it with me so I can see what it is that you have completed today and what it is you might need a little bit more help with. So I'm going to read this first slide to you guys, and you have this informational report on Google Classroom. Everyone will have their own once I assign it. So it says this Google Slides presentation has 2 parts. First, you will complete your research slides, which are slides 2 to 13, to record the information that you learn. These slides will need to be completed by Friday, May 22nd. So today is Monday, May 11th. You guys will have this whole week and next week to complete and find all of your information. So the next 2 weeks will be focusing on just researching our topic. After you finish your research, you will complete your project slides, which are slides 15 to 21. And you will write a paragraph for each slide that teaches the reader about your animal, okay? So you will need to have your presentation slides completed by Sunday, May 31st. And then the last 2 weeks of school, you will present your project via Zoom. The week of June 1st to June 5th. And we might extend that as well, but we will have some friends sharing their work during our morning meetings. Okay, so today, if you go to the distance learning website, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna go to the distance learning website, and you look under writing, today is, maybe I'll make this a little bit bigger so we can see it. Today is Monday, it's May 11th, and it says Research Day 1. Okay, so it says slides 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when Miss Milan talks about our research slides, I'm talking about this presentation. So today it says to watch the mini lesson, which you're watching right now, and it says to read and complete research slides 1, 2, 3, and 4, and to make sure to read the directions carefully. So we just looked over slide 1, so now your job is to move to slide 2. Our research is going to focus heavily on adaptations. Okay. Ms. Mullen's not going to explain what adaptations are at this time. I want you guys to take some time today and make sure to watch both of these videos, and they will teach you what adaptations are. So all you need to do is click on the video and it'll play, and you can also make it larger or full screen. So make sure you watch both videos today to complete slide 2. After you watch the videos, you will complete slide 3. So this is your prompt. And remember, your prompt is basically telling you what it is that you will write about. So it says, you will be researching an animal of your choice and writing a research report about the animal. Your research must answer the following question. What adaptations has this animal developed to help it survive? In addition to the animal's adaptations, you will also be researching the animal's description, diet, habitat, and interactions. So underneath here, there's a couple questions, and right next to the question is what I'd like you guys to do. So the first part says, what is the main topic of your writing? What animal do you want to learn more about? So it says to find the main topic in the prompt and to change the color of that part to red, and then type the main topic here. So I want you guys to reread the prompt and to find what is the main topic of the writing. What will you be writing about? And then you're going to type it under here. The next part says, what type of writing will this be? So find any words in the prompt that tell you what type of writing you will be doing. So is this going to be a narrative, opinion, or informational piece? Okay, and to change the color of these words to blue. So I want you to reread the prompt here and to see if you can figure out what type of writing are we going to be doing. Is it going to be narrative, opinion, or informational? And what are some key words that tell you that? You're going to highlight those words up here at the top in blue. So what words tell you that it's going to be that type of writing? And the last question says, what will you use to find information about your animal? What type of resources would you like to use to research? And that's where you'll type this in right here. So for example, I know that one resource I can always use, especially at home, is I can use the internet. So I might use specific websites to help me. I want you to think of what other resources you might use to help you in your research. Are there other things besides news articles and the internet that we can use? So this is where I'd like you guys to type in what type of resources you might use to help you. Okay, and then the last slide you're going to do today is going to be a short response. So it says, what are adaptations and why do animals need to adapt? So what you guys will do is make sure that after you watch these videos, and if you need to go back and watch them again, then you need to make sure you do that, is watch the videos and you might even take some notes and then complete your response. Okay, so you're going to use the videos to help you respond to this question. What are adaptations and why do animals need to adapt? So when you finish reading through and completing slides 1, 2, 3, and 4, then you will click share with me. And I will look over your responses. And tomorrow we will talk a little bit more and we will look further into the rest of the presentation.